Welcome everyone, I'm D-Mags and you're watching Simplehan Lang, which helps you build your cooking ideas more interesting, fun, and easier. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite Chow Fan Fried Rice. Let's go! Hi Dum Dum,
Hi.
how are you?
Good.
What do you want?
Fried egg.
You want fried egg?
Yeah.
Okay, here, look.
Wow!
I also want fried rice, Daddy.
Fried rice? Oh, there's fried rice. Oh, there's a fried rice.
No, I want fried rice.
That's a fried rice. Oh.
Wow! Kain po tayo.
Alright. Go, check it if it's delicious.
It's delicious.
Cool. There you go. Pawis ako, sorry. Eto na po yung ginawa ko para sa mga anak ko. Dahil nahilingan lang ako biglaan kung anong gusto nilang kainin. So yun ang naisipan kong gawin para sa inyo ngayon. Sana po nagustuhan nyo kahit na papaano. Gumawa lang po ako ng chow fan dahil gusto ng anak ko ng fried rice. Nilagyan ko na rin ng scrambled egg tsaka sausages para may iba silang kinakain din. And by the way, for those of you who are new here, my name is D-Mags and I do create videos for food, fun, and music. And if you like that kind of videos, please consider subscribing. And also, hit that notification bell para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng mga bago pa naming gagawing videos in the future. I think it's about time to eat now with my kids. So, once again, this is D-Mags nagsasabing mas mabango, mas masarap kainin. See you!